Hey, how's it going? This is my video walkthrough for everything I've done from July up until September. And basically, I just went ahead and went through and deleted all my users I had. So we're gonna have to go ahead and create some of our first users. But right now, depending on the user type you choose, the form is gonna change. So for instance, if we choose like coach or something, it's gonna update the form and we're gonna have to fill out the team name and the age group. But if we're just like, let's say we're just the umpire, we don't have a team, then you can see the team information goes away. um, and then again, as I said, we don't have any users signed up right now. So if we try to log in, it's gonna tell us that the password we entered is incorrect. So let's go ahead and register our user. So we're gonna have to fill out our name and our email address, and then a password. Again, choose your user type and your profile photo. Select your birthday. Fill out your phone number and your address for where you live. If you live in an apartment, you can enter your apartment number, or you can leave it empty. Let's say we live in apartment 670 in Orlando, Florida. Go ahead and submit that. And now that we're registered, we can go ahead and log in. So now that we're logged in, we're redirected to our dashboard, our tournament director dashboard. And from here we can see our posts, but right now we don't have any. We have our menu, our email address, and some of the things that some of the other users can view from our profile page. But let's go ahead and create our first tournament. And then we're redirected to our add tournament page, and it's just a simple form to fill out. For now, we'll say test tournament. Hold on, I gotta see if there's. All right, I had to make sure I deleted all the tournaments too. And then we're gonna fill out the number of games that are gonna be played. Uh, the first game we're going to choose our start date, and let's say it's Christmas Eve, and then the last game is on New Year's. And then users can't sign up or register anytime after November 30th. And then we're going to select some age groups that are going to be playing in this tournament. It's going to start at 6U, and then maybe they have a division name or maybe they don't, so we can leave it empty. But each age group is going to have a field address and then the city and state and then a field description, because they may vary per age group. So we'll go ahead and fill that out. So for field address, I think I already have one for Lake Mary. We're going to type Florida, and then the field description can be anything you want, maybe like the field number or just like some simple directions. But maybe we're going to say planning on, or just field A4. And then we can click add age group, and then again we can fill out that same information for another age group, and maybe this one has a division name, and then maybe they're playing somewhere else at a different field. And then another field description, maybe just the name of the park. And then maybe that's it. So we'll click create, and then once we create it, redirect it to the tournaments page, which is just a list of all the current tournaments going on. You can go to the tournament director that created the tournament, which is me, obviously, as the user that logged in right now, or you can read more about the tournament. And then from the tournament director perspective, you can see the registered teams, which the coaches or players or nobody else can't. And it's also going to list all of the different field information and stuff like that for the age groups. So now we'll go ahead and interact with this tournament as a coach. And we're going to have to create a user as well for that. So again, fill out that same information. And this time we're going to choose coach. We're going to select our profile photo, our birthday, phone number, address again, and then maybe we're going to leave apartment unit empty. And we're going to live in Detroit. Michigan, where are you? There you are. Team name could be anything random or whatever your team name is. And then your age group, and then you're gonna upload a team photo. And then I have a team photo here somewhere. There it is. And then your team position name. So maybe you're gonna be like a head coach or assistant coach or something like that, or a pitching coach. We're the head coach, so we click submit, and then now that we're registered, we can log in. So we're logged in and redirected to our coach dashboard. And then now, as you can see, something different is that you can see our team information, or you can go to their team page. And then this is something I'm going to need to work on in October, November, maybe even December, which is the team information page, such as like their record and some of the other stuff. But it's the same information pretty much besides that. But now instead of creating a tournament, we're going to want to find a tournament. And then there's that tournament director that created this tournament. And then now you can see we can register from here, or we can read more and register from here as well. And then you can see the registered teams are gone. So let's go ahead and click register and then log out, and then we'll log in as the director and go ahead and see who's registered. So we'll go to the tournaments, read more, and then now you can see there's the registered teams. Maybe I'll have a link to that they can click to go to this team page as well, and maybe that coach. But yeah, and then another thing I can show you is the social media aspect side to it. So let's say we want to comment to the tournament director as the coach. So we'll go to his page, and then we can click follow. So let's say we're going to want to follow him. His followers count increases. And then if we go back to our page, you can see our following count increases as well. So now let's make a post saying, is the game still going on this weekend? Right, so we click post, and then that's me, the user who made the post, and then the name and the current time and date that post was made along with the post. And then now you can like it, repost, leave a comment. So we'll do that as the director. So we'll log in. Boom. We can see the post here from our dashboard when we log in, or we can go to our profile page and see it. But say we want to like it, the like count increases, and then you can leave a comment and say yeah at 11 a.m. Just like that. Click comment, boom. There's my account information along with the comment, and then the date. So real-time data being shown there along with the social media aspect. And that's pretty much everything I've done from July up until September. So thanks for watching.